Hi everyone, I'm here in Krabi right now. So I arrived last night, and after lunch today I went to Railay Beach for a day trip, and now I'm here in Phra Nang Beach, waiting for the sunset.
In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about taking a DIY day trip to Railay Beach, no tour required, when you are in Krabi. Getting to Railay Beach is super easy. Just head to Phra Nang Beach where you'll find ticket counters selling Longtail boat rides. A one-way ticket costs 100 baht, and the boats leave once they have enough passengers. The ride takes about 10 to 15 minutes and the views along the way are stunning. Since I was returning the same day, I opted for a round-trip ticket for added convenience.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Railay Beach?
Railay Beach. How many people?
Only one.
Go and back to other part.
Yeah, okay.
Last boat 6:30 นะ
6:30. Okay.
มาแล้วอีกแบบว่า
Where is this?
You sit at the bike.
One Railay Beach.
And just like that, we are here at Railay Beach. No need for a tour, just a simple boat ride and you're free to explore at your own pace. Railay Beach is famous for its dramatic limestone cliffs and rock climbing spots, but my main reason for coming here is to visit Phra Nang Cave. I saw pictures of it and noticed something interesting. Let's go check it out. To get to Phra Nang Cave, look for Railay Beach Cafe and just follow the Railay walking street. It's an easy walk, and along the way you'll see lots of restaurants and you'll even see some bars selling mushroom and happy shakes. It reminds me of gili tea. I stopped here for late lunch. I had chicken fried rice and mango sticky rice. Phra Nang Cave is one of the stops of the Krabi 4 Islands tour, and the tour boats dock here. So this right here is the way to the viewpoint, but it is very dangerous to go there. I think you have to climb at your own risk. And we're finally here at Phra Nang Beach. So I've read that this is a good place to swim, but as you can see, it's super crowded. I think most of the people here are from the tours. So now let's look for the cave. If you see this one, this is not yet a cave. So just look at it. You'll see the wooden, So you have to keep walking and go to the other cave, and that's where the Phra Nang Cave is. And so here it is, Phra Nang Cave. What really caught my attention is this sign and these wooden offerings. So as you can see, they are shaped like, well, you can just see it for yourself. These are actually fertility offerings to the spirit of the cave, believed to bring good luck for fishermen and families hoping for children. So the main reason I wanted to visit this cave is because I have this collection of pictures of, these sculptures from places I've visited, like in Bahay na Bato or else the one in Batangas when we hiked. So of course, I wanted to add this to my collection. There are monkeys here, but they're not very aggressive. But, well, I saw this monkey stole chips from one of the tourists, and look how it knows how to open the bag of chips. So this is a monitor lizard. I don't know what it is doing. I'm not sure if it's pooping or something. Look at that. You can also do rock climbing here, like what these people are doing. So we are now back where the boats are located for the ones going back to Phra Nang Beach. So this is on the edge of the beach, and you can see these people climbing because when you cross that one, you will get to Tonsai Beach. If you're short on time in Krabi and considering the Krabi 4-island tour just to visit Railay Beach or Phra Nang Cave, this DIY option is a great alternative. You can simply take a boat from Phra Nang, explore at your own pace, and still have time for other activities like the Hong Sunset Tour I booked, which I'll share in my next video. So to go back, you just show your ticket to the guys on the beach, and then they will show you which boat to board.
22.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's my DIY day trip to Railay Beach. Easy, affordable, and definitely worth it. Have you been here before? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more solo travel tips.